Isa pong naging maliwanag sa aming pag-review. His explanation is nowhere near satisfactory. They did nothing but rehash previous arguments they made for not attending our Senate hearings. This level of mockery of a constitutional exercise of duty by a committee of the Philippine Senate is unprecedented and disturbing, and further confirms Quiboloy's undue refusal to appear before the committee pursuant to Section 18 of the Senate Rules. Considering all these, once again, I request for the Senate President to issue an arrest order against Apollo C. Quiboloy. He must show up. He must respect the institution of the Senate. Sa mga kasamahan ko sa Senado, huwag nating hayaan maliitin niya ang ating iniingatang institusyon. Kung hindi pa tayo manindigan sa kanyang tahasang pambabastos sa Senado, ewan ko na kung saan tayo pupulutin ito.